Hey guys, welcome back. This is Jeff Carbuoy, and today we're gonna be going through step by step on how to install brake pads and the brake rotors on the 2008 Nissan Rogue. If you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please hit the button below, like and comments. And without further ado, let's go through the tools that we're gonna need for this job. First, we're gonna need a socket wrench, and this is gonna come in handy while taking off the tire from the vehicle. Second, we're gonna need a jack to raise the vehicle, and we're also gonna need the jack stands. We're also gonna need a ratchet, wrench, 19 millimeter, and also 14 millimeter wrench. Also, you can have also some socket of the same size with the wrench. For me, I'm gonna be using an impact wrench. I find it more convenient. If you happen to have one, well and good. This one is my favorite. You're also gonna need a WD-40, and you're also gonna need a brake cleaner. And if you're ready, let's get started. So first thing is to remove the brake caliper. You're gonna need 14 inches 14 inches socket, and you can use the impact drill. Remove that one, that bolt, and so once you remove the one down here, so the one up here, you just need to make it loose because of this line, and then you can actually lift this caliper and be able to slide it off. Make sure you put that line somewhere safe. Be careful because of this line. No pressure on it. Next thing is the brake pad holder, or you can remove the brake pads. For this one, you need the 19 millimeter socket for this nut right here, and another one down here. Let's see, and it's out. Your brakes. Sometimes it might not be that easy. Remember, I had prepped this for you. Sometimes you have to beat up stuff lube with WD-40 in order to make it loose. After you remove that, the next thing is to remove the router itself. So to remove this router, it was a war. Remember, I already prepped this for you, so it's loose, but it's loose and it's easy to get out. Go. Okay. Right. Once you remove it, the one thing you need to remove is that rubber pad, because you need to go to the new one. Just like that. So before you install, you need to spray, because of the oil, spray with the brake cleaner or around the brake, this area where the actual parking brakes they're gonna be. Then from there now we go ahead and install the brake caliper. Yep, right there. You gotta press this piston down so it can fit. Gotta be careful. You don't damage. Yep, it's all the way down. There we go. So once the caliper is on like that, everything is almost ready to go. The rotors should be able to move freely, especially if the parking brake is not engaged, should be able to move freely. So previous video, remember I showed you how to protect your rotors from rusting by spray painting, just like this one. So if you didn't watch, I will leave the link down below so you can also get a chance to watch. Everything is done here. The only thing remaining now is to pump the brakes, install your tire, pump the brakes, and take the vehicle for a ride. Again, thank you for watching. Please subscribe, comment, like, and share my videos. Stay tuned with the Chef Carbuoy. Bye.